Hey kids! Welcome to HelloABCs, where learning is lots of fun and smiles. Today we are going to count from 1 to 10 with some wonderful things. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 moon. There is 1 moon glowing in the night. 2 cute cats. Repeat with me. 2 cats. 3 candles glowing near the bed. 3 candles. 4 dogs having lots of fun. 4 dogs. Jumping, laughing, full of tricks. Here come 5 playful kids. 5 kids. 6 apples. Here is 6 apples. There are 7 tiny lights. 7 lights. Flying up high, 8 little birds. 8 little birds. Count 9 stars in the midnight sky. 9 stars. 10 butterflies. 10 butterflies. Dance in a row. Say with me. 10. Wow, we did it. Let's count together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Let's play a fun quiz game. I will tell you a story and you tell me how many are left. Ready? Great! There were 5 butterflies flying in the garden. 2 flew away. How many butterflies are left? Yes, 3 butterflies are left. There were 4 birds sitting on a tree. 1 flew away. How many birds are still on the tree? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. Great job. You had 6 balls to play with. You gave 2 balls to your friend. How many balls do you have now? Yes, 4 balls. There were 3 hens in the yard. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 hens. One went inside the coop. How many hens are still in the yard? Yes, 2. 1, 2. 2 hens. 5 turtles were sitting by the pond. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 turtles. 3 slid into the water. How many turtles are still sitting? Yes, 2. 1, 2. 2 turtles. There were 4 dogs in the park. Two ran home. How many dogs are still in the park? Yes, 2 dogs. Final question, just for fun. You saw 3 butterflies, 2 birds and 1 dog at the same time. How many animals and insects did you see in total? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Say with me. 6. You did amazing. You are great at counting and thinking. Give yourself a big clap. Want to play again sometime? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and